This program will tell you how to accept the number from the user and then to print the sum. So for accepting the number from the user, we have input command. This is the name of the variable num1 and num2. There are two variables in which I am getting the two numbers from the user. So input is a function, input, and then you will write the message that will be displayed on the command prompt. You can see over here, this is how it will be displayed. Enter first number. Similarly, this input command will display enter the second number, where the user will enter the second number. Now I'm finding the sum in another variable, which is sum underscore numbers, NOS short form, where I'm adding these two numbers. And then I'm printing the result using the print function, where first I put the message in double quotes and then I am, after the comma, I'm writing the name of the variable in which I'm finding out the sum. But the output which is displayed is, instead of adding the numbers, it has just combined the numbers. So over here, this operator, the plus operator, has worked as a concatenate operator. Concatenate means to join. So 14 and 15 were joined over here. Why it is so? Because whatever the input the user has given, these variable has stored them as string. So you need to change them into integer type because you want to add them as integer. So what is the solution for that? The solution is that you will add int function before your statement. You can see this is how we'll add int over here, and this will solve our problem. Now the numbers will be treated as integer and you will get the sum. Let's say I am again entering the same number. Now the sum is 29. So only thing that you have to keep in mind that you have to add the type of data type that you want for the input, the numbers or the character, whatever the value is entered by the user, right? Once again, you can see the output over here. I hope you will like this video and follow my channel for such videos. Thank you so much.